going to inside out.
Mallory has her first hiccups outside of my belly. They don't seem to bother her.